Hi everyone, I'm Marie and I am super excited to share with you my Aveda Botanical Repair experience. If you're not certain on what product to use, you can always just chat with the HairMNL hair experts and they would be so happy to assist you. I tried these products because my hair was already severely damaged and it needed some extra protection. I was coloring my hair too often to cover my grays. Then I tried going blonde. And I also spend a lot of time outdoors, so my hair is always exposed to the harsh sun. If you are interested to try these products too, do keep watching so you can see if it also works for you. Botanical Repair is the newest intensive hair damage repair from Aveda. It is plant powered and works in three ways. First, it strengthens our hair from within. Then it repairs the cuticle so it can bring back that softness, smoothness, and ease of combing. And then third, it protects the outer layer of the hair to prevent further damage. I have tried it now for a few weeks and I can see visible results already. Before, my hair was really dry and it felt kind of stringy and wiry. If I tried to finger comb it, my fingers wouldn't even go through. But now that I'm using this product, I can see that my hair is getting healthier. It's bringing back that softness to the feel, and it's also easier to detangle. I have always been a fan of the Aveda brand, mainly because I admire them for their environmental leadership and, of course, the way they strive to provide us with plant derived products. They are also vegan and cruelty free. So now I'm going to show you briefly how I use these products from the Botanical Repair line. I start off with the shampoo, and this one really helps clean my hair. It removes the excess oil and obviously the sweat from the workout and also the dust and the dirt and accumulates the whole day. And then I follow it on with the strengthening conditioner. And what I do to make sure that I get the maximum benefit from this product is I really wring out all the excess liquid from my hair before I put it in from scalp to the ends. And then here comes my favorite part, the hair mask. I use the rich one because my hair really needs that deep conditioning that it gives. It's actually really good for medium to thick hair as well. The Botanical Repair line also has another hair mask that is light, and that one provides weightless conditioning and it's great for fine to medium hair or if your hair is not that severely damaged. Oh, one more tip. When I'm using this product, I always make sure that I leave it on for the full 5 minutes so my hair really gets the product's benefits full on. And then, last but not the least, the leave-in treatment. Now this one, it doesn't just tame your frizz or your flyaway, it actually also protects your hair from the harmful UV rays of the sun. And it also has heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you like heat styling tools, it also protects your hair from that. So there you go. These are the four products from the Botanical Repair line. And so far, I'm really happy with what it's doing to my hair. I want to continue using these products so my hair can be nourished back to health. And the other thing that I love about this, I have to tell you, is the scent. And you have to smell to believe. It smells so good. And Aveda doesn't use any synthetic fragrances in here, but what they do is they put in certified organic ilang-ilang, rose, marjoram, and so many other plant essences. So it smells so fresh. And of course, because it's Aveda, there are no silicons, no parabens, and no mineral oil. And the best part right now is I can actually get these products delivered straight to my home thanks to HairMNL. So I love that these products really work for my hair and I hope that it works for you too. So there you have it. That's the quick little review of the Aveda Botanical Repair line. Thank you, HairMNL and Aveda.